This one ought to be worth watching. Yeah, I know. That doesn't look like a Triceratops at all. I know, it only has 2 horns. It's actually called it. It's actually named Zuniceratops. It first debuted its appearance on Dinosaurs Roamed America. I saw it I got the DVD a few years back. And to be honest, I thank the one who gave me that DVD.
Open laptop, go to OurTime.com, look for free. It's easy to take a look on Our Time, the dating site for people over 50.
Introducing Seneca Laxative Gummies.
I have a liking to the song Celestial. Now, much like I mentioned, Zuniceratops first debuted in the early Cretaceous. And to be honest, I think I'm starting to like this one. It's thin and interesting. I'm proud that I got to draw him for you guys. There he is, everyone. Zuniceratops. It only took me 4 lines. It only took me 2 minutes. Not bad.